her best side, really.
She doesn't spray.
Can you guys see okay in the back row?
Yep.
Tory.
I hope I'm done in 2 days.
Yeah, she'll be pretty thirsty. What's a one?
Oh.
What's a one, really? 60, but that's still deep.
It's so deep.
It's actually mind-blowingly deep if you think about it.
Well, 168 definitely was.
Apparently the roots are also edible. I tried it once. It wasn't edible. It wasn't great, no. It's just like chewing on a piece of wood.
Well, edible doesn't mean it's tasty. It's definitely better when the camera can do.
No?
She likes to live.
It looks almost like she's actually liking the cartilage and stuff around the joints.
Yeah.
Ooh, that was rude. Cool as that, yeah.
And I'm gonna relax for a while.
Yeah, it's just time to digest. She might go and drink at the back there. There's like a trough